Hey everybody, it's Erin from theyouthmethod.com. I'm here today with one of my favorite green tea detox drinks. So green tea is also already wonderful at reducing inflammation. It has all these amazing antioxidants in it, but I like adding a little bit of oomph to that and adding more flavors to the green tea that make it taste absolutely amazing. So I have 8 ounces of chilled iced tea, green iced tea. And then what we're gonna do to spice it up a little bit and make it more interesting is we're going to add 1 drop of lemon essential oil, and I'll put links for everything below, including the recipe. So just 1 drop, because the essential oils are strong, so you don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And then I also add 1 drop of grapefruit essential oil. And then one of my other favorite things to add for more detox benefits is apple cider vinegar. So I have about a half a tablespoon here. You may need to go a little lighter if it's the first time using it because it is a stronger taste. So you could go anywhere from like a teaspoon to a half a tablespoon. Sometimes I'll even go as high as a tablespoon, but I'm really used to that taste. So definitely go slow if it's something new for you. So I'm gonna just do a half a tablespoon today. I'm adding that right to the tea. And then I also recommend, if you are new to using these oils or the ACV, the apple cider vinegar, you may need to add a little bit of stevia the first couple of times, or if you have a sweet tooth, you can add it all the time. I usually don't add it, but I'm gonna add it today just to show you. I usually do about, I don't know, anywhere from like 2 to 4 drops. I'll do 3 today. And then you just mix that all together. And then you have this lovely green tea. I need to add more ice already, but it's so delicious. It tastes citrusy, and then the apple cider vinegar balances out really nice. And if you add that stevia, there's a nice sweetness to it. Let me taste it here. It's really good. It's really refreshing and citrusy. So if you're in the mood for like a little energy pick-me-up, you'll get the caffeine from the tea, and then you'll get some of the energy boosting qualities of the citrus oils just by smelling them. So they're amazing and taste so good. And in addition to all of that, you're gonna help to really detox your body. You're gonna improve digestion. And with all the antioxidants of the tea and the oils, you're gonna help reduce inflammation in your body, which is gonna really help improve your skin. You'll also improve your hormonal balance, and your energy will really improve as well, especially if you're drinking either a green tea detox drink each day or any of my detox waters. It's really important to stay hydrated, and then with the added benefits of all the antioxidants, you're just gonna feel really amazing. So I promise to post the recipe below, and I'll also put some links to these amazing essential oils that I just absolutely love using in my everyday life, including in a lot of my recipes. And also be sure to comment below what you think of the drink once you try it. And I hope you are sure to subscribe to my channel. You can do that below the video, or you can also do that right here. And we'll see you guys next time.